Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this half up hairstyle on fine hair. Divide a thin section of hair at the nape of the neck and I'm going to apply some Colour Wow Style on Steroids spray. This not only gives heat protection but will also give the hair plenty of volume and hold. I'm then going to take a section of hair and wrap it around my curling tong, making sure that it twists and doesn't lay flat. And then taking the section next to it, I'm going to wrap it in the opposite direction. Once your curls have cooled down, use your fingers to pinch and pull at the sides to give them more volume, and then secure in place with a little bit of flexible hold hairspray. And it really is that easy. We're just going to take thin slices of hair going up the head, adding your styling spray, curling the hair, and then pinch and pulling those curls apart. This will really give the hair lots of volume and movement. Now, because we're working with fine hair, I'm only going to use the hair at the front of the face, so divide off the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears, and divide this into two sections, so a top and a bottom section, and clip these out of the way for later. Then section it the same on the opposite side of the head. Now, taking those two top sections, I'm going to bring these together around at the back of the head and secure them with a clear elastic band. Then take the two bottom sections, bring these over the top of that first ponytail and again secure them together with an elastic band. Now I'm going to pop a couple of fingers behind both ponytails and I'm going to take that top ponytail, pass it to my finger and pull it all the way through the hole. And we're going to repeat that one more time, so pop your fingers behind both ponytails, take just the top ponytail, pass it to your finger and pull it through the hole. This wraps the sections around one another, and then holding on to the elastic bands we can pinch and pull these twists apart for more volume. And because we're only using the hair at the front of the face, it leaves lots of volume in the curls at the back. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.